The chains make up the foundation chain, which is the base for any project worked in crochet. Whenever you start a crochet project, you must change the number of chains needed for the width of your garment, and on these chains you will start working the stitches. Chains are also used to create lacy fabrics and are essential to start each row in crochet. Step 1. To start your foundation chain, make a loop with the yarn you are going to use for your project and hold the point where it crosses with your index finger and thumb of your left hand. Insert your crochet hook into the loop and wrap it with the yarn tail that comes from the skein of yarn. Step 2. Draw the yarn through the loop with your hook and gently pull the short yarn tail to tighten the loop around the hook. You have just made the slip knot. Step 3. Yarn over and draw the yarn through the loop on your hook. This is your first chain. Step 4. Repeat the last step until you have made the number of chains indicated in the pattern.